Hello friends, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a reversible bonnet. So the measurement that I'll be using is 14 by 14. Guys, this is very simple. So if you watch this video, I promise you're gonna get everything. So after I mark my 14 on the paper, you can use pattern paper, or this one I'm using a cardboard. So get a string and wrap it around the bottom of a marker and hold the tip of the thread or the whatever you get to the tip of the paper and draw a line from one end to the other. So guys, after you finish cutting, you're gonna lay the fabric and you're gonna put it right side facing each other, and you're gonna pin it at the wrong side. You're gonna sew all around it 1/2 inch, and guys, I'm gonna mark about 2 inches space over there, and for that little space there I am not gonna sew on it. That is the little hole that we're gonna turn the fabric inside out through. So you're gonna leave that space. So we go to the machine. As you can see, I'm starting from one point of the line, and I'm gonna end on the other line, and I'm gonna turn the fabric through that little hole I'm leaving there. Okay, so guys, after you finish pressing, you're gonna sew like about half an inch or an inch at the edge. Make sure the space that you're sewing is um big enough for your elastic band to go through. If you're using a small elastic, you can sew the space a little bit smaller, but if you're using a big elastic, you make sure the space is big enough for your elastic. So once that is done, you're going to use safety pin method and just pass it through the little hole that you left. Once you're done, we're going to go back to the machine and top stitch on that elastic thread. Make sure you do multiple stitches so that it doesn't come off. And once that is done, you're going to close the little hole that we to pass the elastic band through.